Let's take a look at the setup and first use of the Barista Express. Enjoying third wave specialty coffee is made possible using the 4 keys formula found inside every Breville Espresso machine, just like this one. Full-bodied espresso with rich and complex flavors is created using the ideal dose of 18 to 22 grams of freshly ground beans, with a brew water temperature delivered at precisely 93 degrees Celsius, just like a commercial machine. You'll also need the right pressure during the extraction, and this time, bigger is definitely not better. We start with low pressure pre-infusion, followed by a high pressure 9-bar extraction process delivered via our 15-bar Italian pump and an overpressure valve. And last but not least, powerful steam pressure at around 130 degrees Celsius is essential for creating shiny, silky microfoam that has a rich, velvety mouthfeel. Without microfoam, latte art is impossible. Right, now let's wash all the parts and accessories and dry thoroughly before use. Soak the filter in water for 5 minutes. Pop it into the filter holder and set the dial reminder date for 2 months ahead. Fit the holder snugly into the bottom of the tank and fill with cold water. Place the water tank into the machine. Fit the bean hopper into the top of the machine like this, locking it into place. Press the power button to switch the machine on. When the machine has reached the correct operating temperature, the power button light will stop flashing, and all button lights in the control panel will illuminate. The machine is now in standby mode. Now the machine is set up. You're ready to make your first coffee.